Welcome to the ASRock Z77 Pro 3 motherboard unboxing. This is our first item in our $900 build guide. It's based off the Intel Z77 chipset and it supports overclocking and hyperthreading on Intel CPUs on the 1155 socket. So let's open up the box. First is a quick start guide so you can start quickly, a software setup booklet, an I/O shield, and two SATA 3 6GB second cables. Moving on, we have the motherboard itself. The motherboard is in the standard ATX size, so it will fit in most cases. The motherboard is a well-spec'd motherboard for a sub $100 price point. Unwrapping the anti-static bag, you can see the motherboard is surrounded in a soft foam, which is nice. Extra protection of the components help a lot with any knocks and dings you get from shipping. Taking a closer look at the I/O, starting from the top, you have two USB 2.0 ports and a PS2 port for keyboards and mice. There's a VGA port, which is okay, would have preferred DVI instead. There's an HDMI port, which is better. I would recommend using HDMI over VGA just because you'll have better image quality. Moving along, you see two USB 3.0 ports and an Ethernet port and two USB 2.0 ports. Finally, you have the audio inputs for the built-in sound card of the motherboard. On the PCB itself is the CPU socket along with the CPU cooler mounting holes. You have some heat sinks, 4 DDR3 DIMM slots, one PCIe 1X slot, one PCIe 16X slot, another PCIe 16X slot, but it only runs at 4X speed, so doing any crossfire or SLI configuration would be a bit stupid. Finally, you have two legacy PCI slots. As you can see, there are four SATA 2 3GB second connectors next to the front panel headers, and also there's an additional two SATA 3 6GB connectors next to the RAM and USB front panel headers. Next is the 24-pin power connector in its normal place on the right hand side of the motherboard, and you also have the 8-pin CPU power connector on the center top of the motherboard behind the heatsink. Thank you for checking out our unboxing of the ASRock Z77 Pro 3. To check out similar videos and other fun stuff, check out our channel. Visit our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter. Like, favorite, comment, and subscribe if you deem necessary. Goodbye.